How to download Netflix on mobile device. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download the Netflix app on your mobile device, whether you are using Android or iOS. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Play Store app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the search section. Now here in the section, simply tap on the search bar at the top and simply search for Netflix app. And now here, once you have searched for Netflix, you can see the Netflix app at the top. So simply tap on that, and here once you see the interface like this, simply tap on install button to start the installation process. And here you just have to wait for some time for the Netflix to download on your phone, and it may depend on your internet connection. And once you have installed the app, just tap on open to launch the app, and that's it. That's how you can install the Netflix app on your mobile device. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.